The 2010 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra-large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, anti-lock braking system, CD changer, stability control, power passenger seat, tow hitch, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, auto dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, four-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, universal garage door opener, premium sound system. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.